Hi everyone, Adarsh here. So today we're gonna see how in AngularJS how we can create an embedded controller. So embedded controller is something the controller is declared inside the script tag of HTML itself. So we have not specified any external JS file for this. So I have done that POC and I'm gonna show you how we can do that. So first jump into pom.xml. All our regular stuff, packaging will be WoW, and then we have group id, organization, licensing, developers, properties, and then we have a build tag here. Inside that we have to specify the word name, output directory after compilation, then resources. If we want to filter anything we can just say here. Then we have a plugins here. Plugin, we have a standard Maven compiler plugin and then followed by JT server plugin here. So let's jump into the code where we have in the web INF we have CSS, bootstrap related CSS, and theme, bootstrap theme in .css, and JS we have AngularJS file, and then the jQuery file, and bootstrap min.js and jQuery min.js file. So in web INF we have a web.xml where we have specified the web welcome file list here, and then we have a index.html. So today so in this app we don't have any external JS file, so we're gonna see in the code is written here itself. So here we can see that we have not binded this with any of the ng app because we don't have any module created for this. So it's empty stuff. We have imported couple of dependencies like AngularJS, bootstrap, theme, jQuery, and all these things. Inside the script tag we have defined a function as a my app controller, and we have injected a scope object here, and then inside scope we are defining scope.model angular model message model object, and we have defined the scope message, and we have scope.message box here, and then we have defined a controller because this controller we have defined here. So the same name we have given to this. So this body will be bind to this controller, and then we have a couple of div tags here printing messages and all. Then we have a bootstrap CSS related classes here. Then this is a model object which we have defined in the above script, and then we have a input box here. So that input box is binded to the message box, and then same message box model object is evaluated inside the angular expression tag. So let's see how we can how this application looks like. So this is a message which we have defined in the model object, and this is the input box which is binded to the message box model object. So we'll say hi, and this model object is binded to the expression binded inside the expression evaluated inside the expression tag of AngularJS. So that's why we can see immediate message here. So for friend, this application I'm gonna save in my GitHub repository, which is Adarsh Kumar Singh 83/AngularJS. So my all applications are already there. You can pull it up and then you can play around with that. So till then, take care. Bye.